My beat house is also comes under the Ranjab
Punjab
PN.
police station. So it is
There's a
investigation
beat
only by the
house.
same authority.
Or,
Yes.
So,
So essentially, both the FIR refers to one incident.
yes, but the
Yes.
counter FIR
Yes, Mr.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, so far the instruction goes, your lordship. The case had already been sheeted. Only in respect of the in writ petition number 2, your lordship.
How many cases are there?
3 cases, your lordship.
Yes.
In writ petition number 1, Bernard Mara. In item number 1 and item number 3, your lordship, they have been discharged, your lordship. There is, but so far item number 2, your lordship, is concerned, your lordship. She has been sheeted.
So what shall we do about this 1 and 3?
1 and 3, your lordship.
Yes, Mr. Paske, 1 and 3, what remains there?
Nothing remains then, your lordship. Then my petition may be allowed. So,
No, why petition? There is one charge
Infractions,
has
your
not been
lordship.
filed against you.
Infractions.
That closes the thing. You do one thing, you take instruction from your client, I think.
well, your lordship.
Now,
He can approach the trial court, your lordship, for
what?
because already
No, if he is
FR had
discharged,
already-
he is no more an accused.
lordship, yes.
He is no more an accused. So this question of, you say, like allowing or rejecting this petition doesn't this matter has become infructuous in respect of this
1 and 3.
1 and 3. You have no knowledge of that you have not been named as a charge sheet.
No knowledge. No
Now,
lordship.
a
No
submission
knowledge.
has been made by learned AG now,
No.
saying that you and the writ petitioner in cylinder number 3,
Yes, your lordship.
both of them you are discharged. So there remains nothing.
Yes, your lordship.
So if you agree, then we can close this matter on the basis of that, or otherwise you take instruction and then.
I'll seek instructions and I'll get back to this honorable court.
And then what about number 2? What is to be done?
Number 2, your lordship, she has been sheeted. 11 people. 11 people have been sheeted, your lordship.
We will proceed with the.
It has been sheeted, your lordship, under
Go to hearing
section.
then.
Because I heard now.
It has been sheeted under section 120B, 121, 121A, 188, 307, 326, 353, 435, 511, 143, 147, 148, 149, 153, 15. Lordship, minus UAPA. Then it has been under section 6A.
Any other section
6A
under
and
IPC
8A of the
remains?
Meghalaya maintenance, Lordship.
No, anyway, you have incorporated all the sections of the IPC.
I have everything except UP.
Then section 3 and 4 of the
Anyway,
prevention.
then I think that Mr. Mahantu will be needing a copy of the charge sheet. He will have to obtain it.
No, after a copy, so
Because
we can
once
close
it is
this also
charged,
because nothing remains now because I had an interim protection of the bail.
Yes.
So now since being charge sheeted,
So,
I'll move there.
you'll withdraw this petition.
It will be useless now.
That is what. So you'll withdraw. We can say. We'll just say.
Since being charge sheeted, it become infructuous. This
So that
petition.
is what. So we'll just say then you withdraw it and then you can approach the
Any
appropriate
liberty,
authority.
yes. That can be done.
Lordship, yes.
That liberty.
So Mr. Paske, your case you want it to be adjourned.
Your lordship may record the submission of the learned
That is what better. Okay, it's
Yeah,
item number 1 and
that
3
would
you say.
suffice.
Mr. Andy Shulai, learned AG submits. First you say hard both the parties' name you just write, okay? First his name and so and so. Then is answer, Mr. Shulai, learned AG submits that the RIML PS case number 16/7 of 2023. RIML, you have to get it from record, you may get it in this thing. RIML PS case number 16 within bracket 07 stroke 2023 has been charge sheeted and the petitioner herein has not been named as an accused in the same charge sheet. in view of the submission. In view of the above submission, comma, there remains nothing to be decided. There remains nothing to be decided in this petition, as the petitioner stands discharged from the allegation made against him in the case. The criminal writ petition, therefore, after full stop, the criminal writ petition, therefore, has become infectious and accordingly stands closed.
Same order in item 3, Your Lordship.
Yes, 1 and 3 will be same order. Okay, item 1 and 3.
Then now number 2.
Number 2. Here also just say hard so and so and so and so.
But the charge sheet number is what?
They have not given the number.
And you shall I?
You will get
submits that
03
charge sheet number 3 of 2024, dated 12/4/2024.
The charge sheet has been submitted by the investigating authority in RIML so and so, that police case number, okay? Mohantel Leonard Senior Counsel submits that in view of the submission of the charge sheet, petitioner would not like to press this application and instead seek a relief before the appropriate forum. Stop. You see, in view of the submission made, this petition stand dismissed on withdrawal with liberty to the petitioner to approach the appropriate forum for redressal of grievances.
Much
Apply, Your Lordship.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Thank you.
Item number 4.
You have filed the affidavit.
May I please your lordship? We need 2 weeks time to file a rejoinder.
Rejoinder against?
It will be filed by R2. Not R2.
Oh, yes.
Okay. So they then, and if you want to file a rejoinder against the affidavit in opposition filed with that number 2. Earlier also have been given time.
Only 2 weeks time, your lordship. Because of election, we could not prepare.
Yes, response number 2 is response number 2.
Private, Your Lord.
Number 2. Private.
Then state has a role here.
Just stay, Your Lordship, because we are not a party even before the Lok Ayukta.
Okay. Learned counsel for the appearing for the petitioners. 6. Grant of further 2 weeks time for filing a rejoinder against the appearance opposition filed with response number 2. The counsel for the respondents have no objection. Prayer allowed. Disturbed for 2 weeks.
Much obliged, your lordship.
Hearing item number 5.
Mr. Paul is on his legs in the other courtroom.
Even the DIGI is on next lordship.
We will have it at the end of the vote. At the end of the vote.
Why don't we fix it tomorrow, madam?
Why tomorrow then? 2014 matter, madam.
My lord, that's why I'm saying, let me fix it tomorrow. It will take some time. Mr. Paul will take some time with the other courtroom.
Will it be alright for you?
After,
do not know.
no, your lordship. After a week, then your lordship.
After a week.
My lord.
But make sure you take up, madam.
My lord.
You see, this court is not at all inclined to this old matters. The matters which are about 10 years old.
My lord.
Otherwise, this court is accommodating everyone.
My lord.
You do not compel the court to become harsh and rude, you see. Okay, on the joint request of the parties, let's just matter after a week. Make sure you take it up,
My
please.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 6.
Lordship, I pray that this matter may come tomorrow, Lordship.
There is some confusion with regard to the
Confusion
pagination.
because of pagination, I believe.
We
That's
have
what.
already corrected and served the copy.
Corrected and supplied the copies. I think only to read the judgment of the EM interest, that part was read by the council.
This court has forgotten everything. You see, that is a
I know.
problem. You see. It happens, you see, like if
Yes,
there
yes,
is a
obviously, obviously.
lapse of time in between. That is about the merger of Aking.
Aking. Means there was no Aking, they claimed that to be an Aking.
Where is Mr. Sangma?
He is in courtroom number 1, Lordship. Kindly, Lordship, tomorrow the matter may come.
No, tomorrow. Oh, we can end of the boat, I think we can walk out. If
Shall we try it at the end of the boat?
Okay, Lordship.
I'll get the end of the boat.
Item number 7.
Your Lordship, before my senior counsel starts,
Yes.
there was an order by this honorable court on 5/3/2024 to implement the managing committee as a party. Then on on 14/3/2024, the managing committee was the petition was supposed to make the managing committee a party. Then on 5/3. Oh
No, 5/3 was the order of. Well, what had happened is
no,
there's an order passed to implement the managing committee as a party, Millet, on 5/3. We filed an affidavit bringing on record that there was no existing managing committee for them to be implemented. As such, an order came to be passed on 14/3, saying that there is no requirement of implementing the managing committee as a party.
and they have filed an by way of affidavit.
Now, 5/3, there is order that this court is of the view that managing committee should be made a necessary party.
Yes,
True,
For
Millet.
effective adjudication.
Then we filed an affidavit that the term of the existing managing committee had already expired.
That is all right, but then managing committee will be there. You see, school cannot function without managing committee.
Well, it is in the process of, they're in the process of having a new managing committee,
It
Millet.
doesn't matter. You have to make a managing committee. Who comes there, that is not your concern.
Millet, thereafter the second order is there. If you lordship kindly have a look at the next order, Millet. 14/3.
Yes.
This honorable court holds, my lords, that no fresh managing committee has been reconstituted. In view of the same, there is no need for the managing committee to be implemented as a party in the instead of petition.
They have filed by way of affidavit. And your Lordship, this is the documents where the managing committee is already in existence in 2023.
Do you propose to make the managing committee a party?
If there is a fresh managing committee, my lord, if my friend says, we'll make them a
That is
party.
a submission. You see, the earlier order of the court says is a necessary party. Now, if a necessary party,
It was constituted in the year 2024-23.
anyway, you see, like
If my friend gives me a copy,
record his
we'll-
submission.
I'm
We'll record
giving
his
a copy,
submission.
yes.
we'll file a small
No,
application.
no,
implementing them as a party.
it is up to you. You see,
No, my lords.
even-
The
see,
issue
once-
here is,
once this court was of the opinion
my lords,
that managing committee is a necessary party.
lordship.
Now, what happens if a necessary party is not implemented in a matter?
No, my lords, the subsequent order came because we pointed out that there was no existing managing committee. If my friend says there's a managing committee, my lords, we'll implement them.
Because we have, because
It's up to you. This court cannot.
No, no,
compel you.
my lords,
See,
we'll
whatever
implement
way you see.
We'll
but
implement
the
them.
basic dispute
The
with
issue-
regard to
the
the
issue here
appointment by
is-
the managing committee.
The issue here is, my lords, appointment and termination via same order. The private respondent is appointed on the termination order passed in favor of the petitioner. My lords.
My appointment is right from the inception of the school.
That's why,
That
Your Lordship, in this
we'll
case,
come to merit one.
the core issue, the centrality of this issue is the appointment of the teacher by the managing committee, and we are challenging their appointment. So managing committee is a vital party.
My friend has been kind enough to give me a copy. We'll make
So
it
like, you see, it's up to give him the choice. If he fails to do that, and then his writ petition may fail, let him decide it. If he agrees, then he will do it.
No, my friend has given me a copy, my lords. We'll file an
That
application.
is what, exactly.
We'll file an application.
Only problem, my lord, because my lord, my friend, and on several occasions, my lord, once they decide to implead, my lord, then they subsequently decide not to implead.
Stating that there was no managing committee, but there's a proof. I mean, like, I have a document to substantiate the managing committee.
The
was
government
very
should
much
have been kind enough at that stage to give us that there is existing managing committee.
We brought it to the notice of this honorable court that there's a managing committee, but they filed an affidavit. It amounts to perjury, Your Lordship, because
To some
by
extent,
on
this
by
court also is liable for passing, you see, these orders, sometimes allowing sometimes. See, there should be one-time decision. It should not be something like that, the situation remains open. One day, you come and say that you will implement, next day you say no. Then again, you change
Well,
your
it's
mind
what
again.
happened is when the matter was heard, the plea was taken that managing committee is a necessary party. That's how that order of 5-3 came to be passed. So we said, fair enough, we'll make the managing committee a party. My lords, when the instructions came,
Here it goes that this court is of the view.
my lords,
Okay. It doesn't show that, you see, that's been order has been passed at the instance of
either of the parties.
probably what we can make out from the order is that matter was heard at some length and that thereafter court was.
My lords,
Yes.
my lords.
Okay. Now, if you still agree with that situation, you will implement, and if not, then you will not.
My lords, I will. Because my affidavit says that the managing committee had expired.
Then let us just pass an order and
Lordship.
pass, because you see this 2019 matter. Once you implement somebody, once you issue notice, and then again they will file a reply and all. 2019 matter, and that matter unnecessary get delayed.
Lordship.
And this is being a service matter, what relief you expect? You see, like normally one thing is that the delay defeats security.
Absolutely.
Even sometimes if you make out a case after 10-20 years, you may not get.
Nothing will come by, my lords, because he is out of service. We'll do that right away, my lords. Grant us 3 days time, we'll file an application.
Yes, by order dated, hard landed counsel for the parties. Then you say by order dated 5/3/2024. This court was of the view that managing committee of what? Managing committee of?
My lords, this is Pushkini Para SSA UP school.
You have to get it from this. Be made a necessary party for effective adjudication. Stop. However, it appears that on 14/2024, this court, on being informed that there exists no managing committee, and ordered that the managing that there is no need. There was no need for managing committee to be implemented as party in the writ petition. Stop. Today, when this matter was taken up for hearing, Mr. H. Abraham, learned GA, informed that there exists a managing committee of the school, which was constituted on
27/9/2023 and approved on 13/3/2024.
which is constituted so and so, on so and so.
That's exactly the reason, well, it's approved on 13/3. That's why on the date on which the affidavit was filed, there was no managing committee. I don't know on what basis my friend was saying there's perjury.
Managing committee was constituted on the 27/9/2023.
It's not relevant unless it is approved.
Anyway, it's all right.
Managing committee was already constituted. It is waiting very much within the knowledge.
What is? It's all right. So. Last time, Mr. So and so submits. There exists a managing committee. And the said managing committee is still in force. the senior counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that just a say on being just before that you just say on being informed of the same, the learned senior counsel for the petitioner prays for grant of some time to take necessary steps for implementing the said school managing committee as a party respondent to this petition. What we said last time? On being informed? Okay, it's all right. It's okay. Okay, sit down. You just say prayer, Lord.
We'll file an application tomorrow.
Is this matter after? When? Which? What?
3 days, my lords. We'll ensure it is filed. Application is ready. We just have to annex that order and just file it, my lords.
1 week.
1 week.
This is matter after 1 week.
Obliged.
Hello, pleasure.
Item number 8.
Lordship, matter may come at the end of the board, Lordship.
We have already one matter fixed.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Item number 10.
Yes.
Have you pleased, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, on the last occasion, Your Lordship has asked me to do some more
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Conducting counsel is still engaging in another court, Lordship. Item number 19 is going on, Lordship.
You start.
Akang matter, I can, Lordship. This is Akang matter.
Hacking
Let's
matter.
be
So you'll be knowing it
tomorrow.
much more better than anyone else.
Let's be tomorrow, Lordship.
Tomorrow I'll be out. I'll be some personal. Day after, can we?
Day after.
Day after is Friday.
Friday.
See, things remains very uncertain on Friday.
No doubt, Your Lordship. But 13, 14, any day, 13.
We'll say it after a week.
After a week.
Okay, Lordship.
On the request made by the petitioner, release this matter after a week.
Lordship, similar for item number 8.
Item number 8.
Yes.
What is the next matter? Next matter to be called. This will go after a week. It's going after a week.
After a week. But may not be on 16. 16, I have a matter before DV, Your Lordship. Fix it.
Today is what date? Today is 8.
Or on 15, can it be?
Yes.
No inconvenience.
Madam, kindly avoid that 16th
Yes,
in
yes.
this particular case. This matter.
15.
This matter will go after a week, but then do not list it on 16th.
May not be on 16, Your Lordship.
It will not be on 16th.
As you.
We'll,
Deeply obvious. Deeply.
yes.
Item number 8 also, Lordship. After week, Lordship.
Who is the other side here?
So, the other.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You are ready?
No, Your Lordship, my senior is also in on
Same matter is
courtroom
going on,
too.
Lordship.
So if all the courts function, one court has to go on holiday, I think.
After a week, Lordship.
Because of the non-availability of the councils, if matter to be adjourned, there is a problem.
Yes.
And this cannot be a legal ground. This is a problem. Okay, say after 1 week on the request made on behalf of the petitioner. You have no objection, isn't it?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
What? 1 week, isn't it? 1 week this matter.
Yes, Lordship.
Is that all right with you? 1 week.